Hello students. Hello students. Is everybody able to hear my voice? You can message it your answers. Hello students. Is everybody able to hear my voice? Okay. You can message it your answers. Okay, so let us start. So this is the third model question paper for the class 8 standard. As we are very well known that state board is conducting, that is Karnataka state board is conducting the board exam for the 8th standard this year, and this is the third model question paper. We are going to solve it. So let us go with the first main, and just everybody get ready to solve the problems. And here is the first main. You can see in the first main the question paper is of 40 marks. Out of 40 marks, 20 marks is for MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, is of 20 marks. That means 20 questions will be available, and remaining 20 marks is for the descriptive columns. So let us go with the first one, that is multiple choice questions. Just a minute. Is it up? Yes. Try mom. I can't do anything now. Okay, or else you can just join through YouTube GC classes. You open it, give me updates. Okay. The first one, as you can see, what they're asking, the first question, they're asking the multiplicative identity is dash. Multiplicative identity is dash. Okay, so this question is little bit tricky one, but not so tough one, little bit tricky one. Okay, everybody knows what do you know the multiplicative identity, right? Okay, multiplicative identity is nothing but like so a into 1 by a is equal to 1. That is what the way multiplicative identity is given. Okay, so let me write down once again clearly. That is multiplicative identity, that is a into 1 by a is equal to 1. That is what the way multiplicative identity is given. And you can see in the right hand side, when we solve the left hand side, what we are going to get the right hand side value, that is what the 1, and that is what we need to search it where that 1 lies in our options. So you can see the first option is 0 and second option is what 1, and that is what our correct answer. If for example, if we want to take any example like 2 by 3 and write its multiplicative identity. So 2 by 3 multiplicative identity will be what? 3 by 2. Okay, so 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. We can do the calculation part, right? So we can cancel 2, 2 gonna cancel, and 3, 3 gets cancelled. What will be remaining for you? That will be the answer as 1. And that is what our answer here. That is the first one. B option is our right answer. Okay, just write down the question as well as even the solution part. Let us go with the second one. If anybody get the answer now, you can message your answer in the comment section. The second one, in the cube of 7, the digit in its unit place is dash. Okay, we need to find out what? We need to find out which will be the digit at unit place when we take out a cube of 7. Okay, cube of 7 is like what, 7 to the power of 3 is like your question they are saying to find out. So when we multiply 7 into 7 into 7, okay, that is what the way to find out the cube. Okay, if you multiply 7 3 times, what value we're gonna get it? That is what our question. So multiply it, what will get the value? We're gonna get the value as 343. Okay, and which is that number at the unit place? Obviously that is the first number, that is which one? 3. Okay, and just search that 3 is there in our options or no. Yes, it's there. So that is the first option is itself is our 3, and that's our correct answer. The second one is 3, and let's go with the third one. Even this third question they're asking to find out the cube, but this time they're asking you cube root. Okay, so cube root of 64. Anybody can say me the answer of cube root of 64? You can message me your answer in the comment section. You can message me your answer in the comment section. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, so let us give the solution for this third one, that is cube root of 64. Let us find out the cube root of 64. Okay, we need to go with the prime factorization method for the finding of cube root of 64. That is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and the lastly 2 1s are 2. Okay, whenever you're finding the cube root, every term, that is every factor, should be repeated in the form of a triplet. Triplet means each factor should be repeated 3 times. Okay, as you can see, we divided 64 continuously by 2 factor only, and you can see first when we divided by 2, so it was appearing 3 times. That is in the form of a triplet, and one more time we are dividing the 64 with the same factor. That is what here you can see there is a one more triplet, and both the triplets are 2. So when we are finding the cube root, that is cube root of 64, we need to write down out of a triplet, we need to write down how many times? Only once, that is 2. And one more time we are dividing by 2, that is out of a triplet we need to write down how many times? Only once. And that will give the value as how much? 2 2s are 4. Therefore the cube root of 64 is what? Therefore the cube root of 64 is, that is a C option, that is what? 4 is our answer. 4 is our answer. Okay, let us go with our next one. Okay, let us go with our next one. If anybody is facing a problem, you can message in the comment section. Okay, so the fourth one is very much simple, very simple. Let me erase this solve calculation part. Okay, the fourth one is very simple. What is that equation they are given you? That is y minus 6 is equal to 5. The fourth one is very simple. What is that equation they are given you? Y minus 6 is equal to 5. That's very simple. As we know it that variables and the numerical, that is a constant, we cannot solve it. So what we're gonna do, take the number to the number side and variable to the variable side. Here only single variable is, that is y, we'll keep it as it is here itself. Minus 6 will take it to the right hand side. So y is equal to 5. When we are changing the side, that means from left hand side to right hand side, the sign gonna gets changed. That means if it is negative, that becomes opposite. So minus opposite is what? Positive. That is 5 plus 6, and that will give the value as what? 11. So y is equal to 11 is our answer. So that option is there or no? Yeah, it's there. That is a C option is our right answer. Okay, let us go with the fifth one. Let us go with the fifth one. The fifth question, 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 2 is dash. What is that question? 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 square. Both are in the form of a division, and there is one formula in the exponential. What is that formula? A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. If it is division, so we need to subtract the powers if the base is same. As you can see, the base is same. So 3 to the power of 7 minus, what is the denominator power? That is 2. So 7 minus 2 gonna get the answer as what? 3 to the power of 5. But you can see there is no option with the 3 to the power of 5. They are given some values for it. 3, 27, 81, 243. To get this value, what we're gonna do, we're gonna expand our value. We got what? 3 to the power of 5. So expand 3 to the power of 5. So write down 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times multiplied because the power is 5. So multiply it 5 times. What we're gonna get the value, that is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 243, and that will be our value. So where is